All right, let's talk about double encryption. So if we're talking about storage accounts, there is this option called infrastructure encryption. So if we checkbox that on, this is encrypts storage account data at rest. Infrastructure encryption adds a second layer of encryption to your storage account's data. We just said that in the last lecture here, but I'm just trying to cement that this is for storage accounts. For Azure disks, it's called double encryption. And so double encryption is where two or more independent layers of encryption are enabled to protect against compromises of one layer or of encryption. It's the same thing, but for one they call it infrastructure encryption, and for the other they call it double encryption. Confusing, I know, but it's the same thing. Okay. Using two layers encryption mitigates threats that come with encryption data, of course. So I just feel like we're repeating ourselves 100 times here, but Microsoft has two-layered approach for data at rest and transit. So for data at rest, you have disk encryption using customer managed keys, and then you have the infrastructure encryption using platform managed keys. Data in transit, the transit encryption uses TLS 1.2. That is the latest standard. There's over the years it went between SSL, TLS. It's back in TLS's court, with 1.2 being the most up to date. Additional layer of encryption provided at the infrastructure layer. So should you enable double encryption? Yes, and always, every time you have that opportunity, utilize it, okay?